What a nice sunny day. On my back patio. Ugh, I can't get situated. Ugh! I'm so itchy and everything. Ugh! I really wish to see that cat boy again, and probably won't ever happen again. Stop itching me so much! Gosh! Oh, Makira, I'm going out for a while, okay? Yeah. Have fun. I sure know I won't. Goodbye, Makira. Let me give you hugs and pets and stuff before I go. Okay, Mom. Please don't ever bite me again, Makira. Sorry, Mom. It's just, I'm not in a very good mood today. Oh, stop it, Makira. Stop it. You can go to your friend's house today if you want to. Yay! Thank you so much, Mom. That means so much to me. Do you just want to sleep, Makira? Yeah, I kind of do. Okay, well, good night, Makira, and I'll be back later. Okay, Mom. Bye. Bye. I just wonder how that cat's doing. Oh, Makira, you're here? Yeah. Wow, I didn't expect to see you here at the park. Yeah, it's a reveal to me too. My mom told me I wasn't supposed to go to the park, but I just can't resist myself from going to the park. I mean, you guys here are so amazing, and it's just so fun. Alright, Makira, well, I'm gonna be taking a short nap because yesterday was a worn out day of us partying all night. So yeah. Boy, come on! Your father wants you! No, I don't want to go. But I guess I have to. 5 more minutes, Mom! No, son, come on! 5 more minutes! Come on, boy, let's go. Fine. Oh, nice dream world. Just sitting here relaxing and enjoying my joyful day. Oh, bye, boy. Bye, McKenna. My ride's here now. Ugh. I wish there's some way to stay here with that girl over there. I mean, she's kind of cute. She kind of looks like my mom. But she's not my mom. Let me go think. I've been thinking and thinking and thinking. Oh, hi, Makira. Hi. I just came out here to lay down. Why are you sniffing my tail? Because I like sniffing your tail. It's just... Stop chewing on my cat's tail. Get out of here. Sorry, McKenna. My son's being a bad kid right now. I'm so sorry. You are such a mean cat. You know that, right? Ah! Get away from me and my daughter. Are you okay, McKenna? Yeah, I guess so. I'm gonna go over here. I'm not welcomed. The flowers here smelled so joyful, Mom. McKenna, I'm gonna go get me a drink, okay? Okay. Be right back, McKenna. You stay up here.
She's a scheming dragon woman hell bent on destroying everyone around her.
Grabbed my apple juice. Let's go continue with my cat. Hi, McKenna. Oh, hello, Mom. Do you think maybe that I could get some water? Well, I don't know, baby. Let me go find out. None of the other kitties have water. Why do you need water right now so bad? I'm just so thirsty. I don't know why. But okay. McKenna, there's other things that people really don't tell you about. Oh yeah, what's that, Mom? Everybody tells me everything because I'm a special little girl. Oh, McKenna Jack.